Hello everyone, I'm Bruna and today we're going to talk regarding outsourcing Salesforce. The global HR outsourcing market size was worth 47 billion US dollar in 2023 and is predicted to grow up to 73 billion US dollar by 2032. With me today I have Miss Afsha, HR department. We're going to ask her regarding what is the Salesforce outsourcing. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, Bruna. How are you?
Good, thank you. Miss Afsha, what is Salesforce outsourcing?
So, Salesforce outsourcing basically it's a BPO, business process outsourcing, where we are contracting with the third parties to manage our business one or more aspects. So, basically that.
Why to resort to Salesforce outsourcing?
Yeah. It is important because it has another benefits of cost optimization, it's time effective and human management too. Yes.
What are the options of Salesforce outsourcing?
So basically we have two kind of options. We have onshore and offshore. So with onshore it's more benefited where third party can hire onto your place, and it will be better that you have people onboarded in your same country, but it will be costly, or you need to provide, as if you are doing in UAE or something, you need to provide visa, and also it will be a bit costlier comparative. And then the another one is offshore, where people again the third party is hiring for you and they'll do it offshore, people sitting in different countries, so it again cost effective to you, but it might lose your data escape or something, so there is a bit challenge on that. So there's two ways of outsourcing you're having.
Thank you very much. What are the benefits of Salesforce outsourcing?
So you will be having multiple benefits. Your time will be saved, and it will be time management. Of course, you can expand your business where you don't need to put your time and energy, and third party is doing for you. They'll be taking care of entire thing, so you will be stress free, so stress management too, and it will be more cost effective comparative. If you'll go through it, you'll get a good resource and you can expand your business. Yeah.
What are the disadvantages of Salesforce outsourcing?
So basically you are just giving all your data to the third party, so bit riskier on that note, where your data is with somebody else as well. We can say a trust issue somewhere, and a risk of giving your data, and also because you are dealing with different humans, so different country might be if you're going offshore, so a risk of not getting the people here might be a trust issue or something. So in that case again it's a trust issue or a lose of your data. It's perks and disadvantages of Salesforce.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your timing.
Thank you, Bruna, for the questions. Hope you all have a quality information. Thank you.
Have. Guys, follow us for more details regarding the video we just did with Miss Afsha, the HR department. Thank you very much.
Thank you.